Kunal, and what does force stop means? And this is my ultimate guide from Backdroid.com. So here is what it means. So force stopping an app on Android or iOS device entails manually terminating the app's background processes and preventing it from running until it is manually restarted. The following occurs when you force stop an app. All background processes of the app are terminated. The app functionality is halted. Data loss risk, any unsafe data or the progress within the app may be lost when you force stop it. For example, if you were editing a document or composing a message, force stopping the app would likely lead to the loss of any change made since the last save. Memory and resources release. Force stopping an app can free up memory and resources used by the app, which may help when the app misbehaves, consumes too much of memory, or drains the battery excessively. Or these apps wouldn't no longer run in the background. So this is what happens usually when you force stop any app. Or when should you force stop the app? This is a really good question. When an app is constantly crashing or freezing, an app is using a lot of battery power or data, an app is causing your device to overheat. You can prevent an app from running in the background. These are the four main why you should force stop an app or when you should do it. I hope you found the guide helpful. Like and share.